Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Costas here from GoldRush Paranormal. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I have a little bit of a different kind of video. I got something today from YouTube. Gee, I wonder what it might be. Well, let's go ahead and open it up here. I kind of have a feeling I know what it is, but let's go ahead and make sure. I don't have a scissors, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this here. Hopefully that's good enough. Okay, I think that might be good. There you go. And all right, here's the reveal. Let's see what's in here. All right, got a letter here from YouTube, and I won't go ahead and read it all there, but pretty much just says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. I guess I am reading the whole thing here. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating. Keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, maybe you'll reach your 1,000,000th subscriber. We may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Whew. Guys, I am actually a little bit emotional, I'll be honest. You know, this has been a long time coming here, and here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. It is wrapped up in plastic here. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. Hope you guys can see that right there. Thank you so much. This is absolutely amazing. It's an honor. I am very thankful and grateful to all of you for helping me reach this milestone. I remember about a year or so ago when I was stuck at about 500 subscribers for, it seemed like forever. And then I finally hit 1,000. And my goal initially was, once I reached that first 1,000, to reach possibly 10,000 by the end of the year. And then it seemed like I was averaging about 10,000 every single month. So guys, I really can't thank you guys enough. This is absolutely amazing. I am very, very grateful to all of you. Thank you so much for your support. And, you know, I've been waiting. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in the back here, I've had this photo that's just been sitting there. And I painted this room a few months ago, and I was looking to get some art on the wall. And I haven't actually done so as of yet, but I'm going to tell you what, this is definitely the first piece of art that's going to go up here. Once again, thank you guys so much. I want to thank YouTube for having such an awesome platform. And, you know, I initially started this channel about 10 years ago, but it was basically inactive. I wasn't really doing anything with it. I might have posted a couple of videos and then that was it. And a couple of years ago, you know, because I had been doing paranormal investigations over the last decade or so, And I was like, you know, maybe I should start posting my videos on YouTube. And lo and behold, you guys love the content that I put on here. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to YouTube. And who knows, maybe with your help, I'll be able to hit that next milestone of 1 million. And I'm glad that you guys were able to see this, be a part of it. It's very meaningful to me, and being able to share all my content and this with you guys, absolutely the best gift, and I couldn't ask for more. Thank you guys so much.